I'm so nervous. My heart is jumping out of my chest.
Okay, is this working?
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Welcome back to a brand new episode of How to Keep Yourself Sane During a Pandemic. I have officially lost it, and this is my husband, Ender, in the background. Did you say hi?
Yes.
Okay, so I am doing it. I'm doing it. I am cutting my own hair. Now, you guys may think, well, what's the big deal, Jenny? You're a hairstylist. You can cut your own hair. I can, like, theoretically I can, but I've never executed it on a practical manner, and I'm so nervous because my haircut is like the most important thing in the world to me. And if you screw up my haircut, like...
Even more than me?
Okay, second most important thing in the world to me.
And Kyler?
Third most important thing in the world to me. So, I'm really picky about my haircuts. And the reason why I'm cutting my hair is because, well, A, my hair is naturally wavy. So if I do make mistakes in my hair, my waves can hide the mistakes. And B, guys, I really need a haircut. I'm like in desperate need of a haircut. I actually needed one way before the pandemic started, but I just haven't been able to do it. Like to go to my hairstylist and do it, so I'm doing it now because I can't take it. I look in the mirror, and you can ask Ender. I talk about my hair all the time and how much I need a haircut, so I'm just gonna do it and take my hair into my own hands. So I am going to take my hair out of my ponytail, and I'm gonna show you guys. Well, it's really hard because I do have the ponytail bump, but I'm gonna show you where I really need a haircut. Now this, right now, I will be talking technically. So for all you hairdressers out here, you guys will understand me, but everyone else won't. But I do need to say what I'm doing. So I will not cut the length. First of all, like, and everyone understand this, I will not cut the length because I have been playing it over and over in my head on how to cut my own hair, and I, in my own head, cannot figure out how to cut the length perfectly. And if my length is not perfect, it's not cool with me. So I will leave the length until we're out of this pandemic and I can go to my girl and she can cut the length herself. But where I really need a haircut is, okay, I need to be in the frame, is this section right here, this top section of my hair. And because it's so long, it's so heavy, my hair is a lot more dense on the top half of my head than it is on the bottom half of my head. And because it's so dense, I actually need a lot of layering up here. But my layers, like, are all the way down here. And so it's really heavy, and I actually get hair aches. So if you don't know what a hair ache is, it's when you put your hair up in a ponytail and you actually get a headache because your hair is that heavy. I get hair aches. I need some wine because I'm very nervous. And pretty much, so in this section here, I am gonna just layer the hell out of it. And I will be doing front layers because my layers have grown out. I actually like my layers up here. I will be doing front layers through here, and let's just pray for the best that it all works out. So I'm gonna go take a shower, put in my contacts, and let's do this. So I washed my hair, and before I start the cut, let me give you guys a quick tip for everyone out there who's got long hair. Quick tip is this: when you brush your hair, start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. Because if you start from the top and work your way up to the bottom like this, how I just did, A, it hurts, and B, if there's knots on the top, you actually pull on your scalp, and that is how you get a receding hairline or baldness. So quick tip for that. Now, because my hair is wavy, I like a middle part because I can wear my hair either to the left or the right. So let me section a middle part. Now, normally, if I was doing this on someone else, I would section my hair into like the quadrant, but there will be no quadrant this time. So I put a cape on because I really don't want to get hair everywhere. Ender will kill me. But I will give you another quick tip for all you professionals out there who does a lot of layered haircuts. Now this isn't wrong, this isn't right, but I just want to give a quick tip. When you take sections on top of the head and you take vertical sections like this, okay, and you cut, whoops, and you cut this way, you actually create a very big weight line right here. However, if you take sections vertical like this and you just elevate the section, I'm coming out of the frame, you don't create much of a weight line. Because my hair is top heavy, I will be taking vertical sections. And I'm starting with what I feel is my stronger side, because once I get to my weaker side, I will have no choice but to cut it and I can't back out. So this is the section. I'm dropping the front piece out because I'll be layering it anyway. If I'm looking down, it's because I have a mirror down here. I'm gonna over direct this way and I'm gonna take all this off. I'm trying to point cut, you guys, and it's not working out. I don't want to cut off my fingers. So here is my guide. I can tell this is not going to be a symmetrical haircut. Oh, this is awful. Oh my god, this is awful. And my head is not straight. Oh god. How the hell am I gonna cut this section? Okay, so now this is my weaker side because I want to keep the tension and my arm is already tired. Oh god, I'm sweating. Ender, I think I made a mistake. It made sense in my head. How do you cut this section without like contorting yourself? Yeah, so I just cross-checked and my hair is uneven. Oh my god. I really shouldn't be cutting past the second knuckle. My hair is uneven, but I actually have to, I can't fix it right now because I have to cut my front layers because my hair is starting to dry and I want to use a razor. A lot of people will tell you in textured hair, don't use a razor. But because I'm doing this on my own and slide cutting is very hard on your own hair, I tried the other day to practice because I knew this video was coming. Yeah, that didn't work out. Not bad, not bad. Most likely this is uneven. I will check for evenness. Oh man, my right side is longer than the left. Wow, look at that. My right side is longer than the left. Okay. I am done my haircut. My hair is starting to get frizzy. And if I keep cutting my hair, I will have no hair left. I will dry my hair and I will show you what it looks like. So it is the next morning. I went to bed with my hair wet just because all the anxiety I had building up to cutting my hair tired me out as soon as I took a shower. So I ended up going to bed, so don't mind like the bed hair. I actually don't mind this haircut. it's not perfect. Like, this side is longer than this side, but that was expected. Thank goodness my hair is wavy because it does have mistakes. The shape is actually what I'm looking for. This side is a little bit strange. I guess I had slept on my waves wrong, but I mean, whatever. Bedhead is bedhead. The shape is what I like. Like, all the weight now is all gone. Like, I had all this weight right here, and that is all gone now, which makes me happy. I actually think that I could have taken off a little bit more, but depending on how long we're in the pandemic for, I may cut my hair again, or if we are really done by April 30th, then I will probably just leave it and get to my girl when I can. That is my video for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below. You can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.